Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to another journey. So in today's video, I just landed in Portland, Oregon, first time being here, and I'm here to see a very important piece of American history. So stay tuned for the journey and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I just made it into my hotel room. This is the loft on Cascade. So I'll show you. So far, it's a nice hotel, sorta. Got your coffee maker, room safe, very small shower. I guess that's your closet, mini iron board, adjacent room, got a nice little lounge bench in front of your TV, probably what, 2 full-size beds. This feels like a small room, but I'm only here for one night. And this is interesting. I don't know if you can see it. That is a robot patrolling the parking lot. So yeah, so stay tuned for tomorrow. And my rental truck is a nice Ford F-150. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow. Good morning. Welcome back. So I have made it to the hotel. I checked in last night. Got in about midnight. Got about 3 or 4 hours of sleep after being up for about 24 hours. So now I'm about to fill the tank up and head to my destination. So I made it to my destination. So I came out here to Oregon to see Howard Hughes' Spruce Goose. So now I am at the Evergreen Museum and about to walk in and look at the world's biggest flying boat. Okay, I have made it inside. I work at the airport and I have seen 747s, 350s, even the Airbus 380, and I thought that was a huge plane. But this takes the cake. That is one end of the wing. It is massive. The camera is not even showing justice on how big this plane really is. This is the tail section. It has 8 engines. I'm trying so I can find something you can try to compare the size to. So this is a old-fashioned Ford. So you know how big that car is. Compare it to the smallest part of the wing. I want to see if I can get some stats for you and put it up on the screen on just how big this is. In a few minutes I will be doing a tour on the inside of it, and I will bring y'all along with me. So a fact about the Spruce Goose, when it did take its first flight, it's a guy who actually sits, or was sitting back here in the sales section. He said when the plane took off, that the tail end was shaking really bad. So they went ahead and reinforced the rear end. You see the little rivets and stuff here, where they reinforced it. But they never got you to test it out because the plane never flew again. Okay, I just left the aviation part of the museum, so now I'm walking across the street or across the parking lot to the Space and Air Museum. I hope you enjoyed the footage of the Spruce Goose. Like I said, that plane is absolutely massive. I have never seen a plane that big before. So now I'm about to walk into the Air and Space Museum. So currently I am standing at the bottom of a Titan missile. You can probably see how far this thing goes up. This is where they usually would launch it at, or what it would look like where they would launch it. These are the engines. Yeah, these things are huge. Wow. Now I'm about to go upstairs to the mission control room. This is a picture of what it would look like when it would launch, with all the flames and smoke. Okay, this is a replica, or maybe the real thing, of a mission control lunch room. So here's an example. So when the rocket takes off, it uses these two thrusters. It gets up so far, and then this part breaks off. So let me see if I can get up to the other part. Yeah, it's a good bit of a walk. Okay, so it breaks off into this smaller one, and then this rocket takes over and propels the rest into space. I don't know if they're going to actually, I think there's another piece that goes on top of this. So again, this is the front of this one, and then the other part just goes into the orbit. So this must be the helicopter section. Got little mini helicopters, and then you got the big boys over here. The copter that was used in every movie in the 70s. I believe something like this was used in Magnum PI. Either that or something like this. Yeah, this is a weird shaped copter. So this is the A-10 Warhawk, well, A-10 Thunderbolt. In the background, you can see that rocket that I was down up under not too long ago. You can kind of get a better view of how tall it really is. Okay, like I was trying to show earlier on the other rocket. So this is the first stage. And then that's the second stage. Right around here, that breaks off. And then you got the next stage, which on top of that stage, you have a rocket that looks like this. and that one actually goes out into orbit. And they got a little spaceman out here in orbit. The next destination is the Rail Heritage Center. So basically they have a lot of old locomotives and trains in here. So let's see how this works. Okay, I'm back in PDX. Just got done through with security. Now I'm about to catch my flight, head to Seattle, have about an hour and 40-minute layover, and then back to Atlanta. Okay, so something different about Portland's airport that I haven't seen at any other airport. Like other airports, they have moving walkways, but here, they don't start moving until you walk past it. Remember what I was saying earlier in Portland about having automatic moving sidewalks? This is how Atlanta has it. They just stay running all the time. So I think it's pretty good that Portland has it that way. Probably save on wear and tear and energy. So I didn't film too much in Seattle. I was a little tired. Just made it back to Atlanta. So that means that this journey is going to end for tonight. So for more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. I'm going home and getting some sleep.